Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry. Hi, Deepani Bardwaj. Welcome to all again, and today we are going to discuss previous year's quants question. So we are going to discuss previous year's questions, in which our first question is, here a direction is given. The bar graph shows the total number of males and females lives in 4 different towns, and table shows the number of males and females whose ages are above 40 years. So this is the graph in which we are given with the number. Fine. So according to that, we can complete this table in which this is given where number of males and females whose ages are above 40 years. So what we can do, we can first complete this table by noting down some of the other numbers as well. Now what are those? See, these are males and females whose age are above 40 years, and these are given the total number of males and females. So for town A, what is the total number that is given? As we can see, the total number that is given is 240 here. So it is 240. Then for town B it is 280. For town C it is 260. And for town D it is 320. Now this means what would be the number of people who would be less than 40 years of age? So these are the total number of people. These are whose age is above 40. So these will be 240 minus 50, that is 190 for town A. 280 minus 70, that is 210 for town B. Sorry. For C, 110, here it is 260, so it would be 150 for town C, and for town D it would be 320 minus 120, that is 200 for town D. Fine. So these are the number of people. Now what we are asked? We are asked find the average number of those males and females whose ages are below and equals to 40 years of town A, C and D. So they are talking about A, C and D, and what is the number? It is 190 for town A, it is 150 for C, and it is 200 for D, isn't it? Now what they are asking? They are asking about this average now. So what we will do? We will just divide it by 3. So from here you can see that what we are going to get? We are going to get 540 divided by 3, and what is 540 divided by 3? It is 180. So is there any option that is 180? Option number A is correct, because option number A is 180. Fine. Let's move on to the next question. Now the next question says what? Next question is saying find the ratio of those number of males and females whose ages are above 40 in town A and B to those males and females whose ages are below equal to 40 in town D. So for town D, how many people were there? In town D there were total 200 were there, isn't it? So we are talking about 200 people whose age is less than 40, isn't it? So it would be 200. So for town A and B it would be 50 plus 70. They were asking about what? They have asked find the ratio of those number of males and females whose ages are above 40 years in town A and B, and in this table we can see whose age is above 40 years for town A and B. For A there are 50 people, and for town B there are 70 people, so it would be 50 plus 70. And if we talk about those ages below or equal to 40 in town D, so it was what? Its number was 200. So we will be dividing by 200. So now what we are going to get? 70 and 50 is going to be 120. So 120 divided by 200. So when you will divide it, you are going to get what? It would be 3:5. So is there any option 3:5? Yeah. Option number B is correct. Fine. Now let's move on to the third question. Now third question is what? They are saying if 40% of the population in town B, that is this one, if 40% of the population in town B whose ages are below and equal to 40 years are males, and 40% of the population in town D whose ages are below and equal to 40 years are female. find the difference between females of town B and D whose ages are below and equal to 40 years. Now for this type of question, you are going to do what? So if we'll write number of females in town B, number of females in town B whose age are below, or we can say are less or equal to 40 years, would be equal to what? It would be equal to 210 into 0.60, and 210 has come from where? 210 has come from this table, isn't it? Now if I say we are solving this 0.60, why? Because they have already told us what, that it would be 60%. So 60% can be written as 60 by 100 or 0.60. So it is going to give you the value 126. Fine. Now what we will do? We will find the number of females in town D. So number of females in town D whose ages are below, and equal to 40 years. Equal to what? So it would be equal to 200 into 40%, and 40% can be written as 0.40. So its value would be what? Its value would be 80. Now what they are asked? We are asked find the difference between the females of town B and D. For difference between females of town B and town D whose age are below or equal to 40 years. So what we have to do? We have to just subtract them. So while subtracting them, 126 minus 80, we will directly get our answer, that is 46. So our correct answer is option number A. So let's again discuss this question. What they were saying 40% of the population in town B whose ages are below and equal to 40 years are males. Now since they have told that 40% of the people are male, this means 60% of the population would be female, isn't it? And 40% of the population in town D whose ages are below or equal to 40 years are female. So they have told that 40% are female. So here we will apply 40% and it was 60%. Now total population was given. For whom they are talking about? They are talking about whose age are below or equal to 40 years. Fine. Now for whom they were below or equal to 40 years, they were how many people? They were total 210. So out of those 210, if we take out 60%, we are going to get number of females. How many females will be there? 126. In the similar way, if we talk about town D, then in town D, all those people whose age was less than or equal to 40 years were 200, and out of those 200, 40% were females. So 40% of 200 is what? 80, and they are saying now you have to tell just the difference. So what is the difference? The difference is 126 minus 80. So your answer is 46. Is as simple as that. Fine. Let's move on to the next question. Now next question is what? They are saying number of males and females in town A whose age are below and equal to 40 years is what percent less than those number of males and females in town D whose age are below and equal to 40 years. So they are talking about town A and town D. So let's see what is the population of people whose age is less than 40 years in town A and town D. So for town A and town D, we'll get the number. For town A, it was 240 for town A, 240 for town A, and for D it was 320. Isn't it? 320. Now 240 and 320. 240 and 320. Now they are saying what percent less are they? Now since they are asking what percent less they are, so let's have a look on that. Now if we talk about what percent less they are, then in this case what we'll do, sorry, 240 was the total population for town A as it is given here, and whose age is more than 40 years, they are 50. So total is 240, and the number of people whose age is above 40 are 50. So total number of people whose age would be less than 40 would be 190, isn't it? Now total number of people in town D are 320, and number of people whose age is above 40 years are 120. So minus 120 is going to give you out 200. So these are the number of people whose age is less than or equal to 40 years. Now they are asking what? They are asking you have to find the difference, that is what percent less than those number of males and females in town D. So you have to just subtract it, that is 200 minus 190. In whose comparison they are talking? They are saying in comparison to the town D. In town D, how many people were there? 200. So what you have to do? Just take out its percentage, and for percentage we know that what we are going to do. We are just multiplying it by 100. So its difference was 10. So 10 divided by 200 into 100. So from 2 zeros, 2 zeros are going to cancel out, and 2 5s are 10. So that is our answer is going to be 5%. So is there any option that is 5%? Yeah, option number D is correct. Let's move on to the next question. Next question is saying what? If in another town E, total males and females are 10% more than the total number of males and females in town A. So in town A, how many people were there? In town A, 240 people were there. Therefore, in town E, how many people will be there? It would be 110% of 240, isn't it? Because they are saying it is 10% more. So from zeros, zeros are going to cancel it out, and you are going to get what? Your answer is 464. So, sorry, 264. So in town E, the total number of people are 264. Now they are saying what? They are saying that what do you have to do in another town E, total number of males and females are 10% more than total number of males in town A. Okay, so these are this, and those males and females whose ages are above 40 years is 20% more, 20% more than those males and females whose age are above 40 years, in town C. So in town C, how many people are there? They are 110. Okay, and what they have told us? They have told us that those number of males and females whose ages are above 40% is 20% more. So age above 40 years equal to what? Equal 20% extra, that is 120% of 110. So from 0, 0 are going to cancel it out, and you are going to get what? You are going to get 132 here. Fine. Now what we have to do? Find those number of males and females in town E whose ages are below or equal to 40 years. Very simple. This is the total number of people. This is the total number whose age is above 40 years. So what is the difference? The difference would be of those people whose age is less than 40 years. So what would be our answer? Total were 264. 132 people are more above 40 years. So what is the answer? The answer would be 132. So is there any option? Yeah, option number A is correct. Fine.